Okay, my boy, much better. Okay, definitely getting there. A little bit of trust and timing and completion of the rotation or the circle on the downswing, but otherwise definitely on the right track here. Okay, I like how you've kind of turned it into a trigger. I really like that. There, that little trigger there with the right leg. Okay, but you can see, and that's, again, a lot of the reason why it's sort of solid and straight. Okay, that right leg's excellent. Backswing shorter, change of direction. Club face very square on the circle. Okay, and you don't quite release that right side. Okay, and that's where the little loss of distance is coming in. But very good, mate. Okay, beautiful setup again, much straighter angles. Okay, height is much better, well done. Okay, that little sit there. This one might be a little too much knee flex now with the right leg, but it's on the right idea, so I don't mind it too much for now. And then you're maintaining it so much better. Okay. Little overswing there, but that's fine. And then you unwind this one much more aggressively. And you square that face up beautifully. Okay, well done, mate. Very good. Okay, nice setup again. Legs are strong. Maintain the knee flex. Didn't quite maintain it on this one. I think that's also why this one didn't go as far as I thought it was going to go. Just a slight miss hit with the up and down movement. There just needs to be a little bit neater. Okay. Change of direction. Good. And you're starting to square the club with your body, which is really good. Well done. Hey, buddy. Thanks again. Really cool. Good morning. A lot of good signs. A lot of neatness out there. Or neater, shall we say. Okay, the ball flights, everything, okay, all looking really good. No big mishits, no big sprays. Okay, all looking very good. I like what you've done in terms of adapting that into a trigger. Just be careful on the driver that it doesn't go too much and then you can't maintain it. So it must be nice and neat. All right, the timing of unwinding and then squaring the face looks absolutely brilliant. All right, then especially for the irons, all you have to do is make sure that you finish that rotation, get off that right leg, hold it for 3 seconds. That's actually a little bit for the timing for squaring the face, but it's actually just for the consistency of strike as well, like getting the full distance. So although you try and turn, sometimes you just hold on a little bit. Okay, make sure it's all the way through. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Putting was a million times better today. Absolutely a million times better. Okay, I was so happy. And it's not a case of they all going in, you hold one nice one in that number. It's just that when they're a little bit out, it's a little bit of a misread or not matching line and speed, the ball's close to the hole. Even a couple of your long putts, they were misread, but they were perfectly speed-wise. Okay, it was only on 8, and that was quite a long and complicated putt. That was a little bit of an issue. The rest was absolutely fantastic. Okay, super happy. Now, the more you do that, then you'll be able to read the greens better. That's how it works. Okay, in terms of how much they're now going to break. Because now you've got an idea of the distance and the speed. So great stuff there. So just a little thing with the pitching. Chipping's fine. Just a little thing with the pitching. Just every now and then that ball position sneaks a little too far forward. Okay, let's get it nice and neat in the middle. Keep your chest on top of the ball. Okay, everything you do after that, really good. There's just 1 or 2 where it sneaks there, and then you kind of stall on it just a little bit. Alright, so just keep an eye on that pitching. But we'll incorporate that in our warm-up for next week. Otherwise, I'm super happy. Well done.